Hello, Rosie Army. It's your girl Suki. So today I am in my mother's kitchen with my little brother, and we're going to be making, or at least trying to make, chocolate chip cookies. So basically, I poured sugar, and I asked him to melt the butter. And he's a beginner, and we need to teach our boys how to cook, but it's okay. He's learning, and he's doing pretty good. We both cracked 2 eggs here. I think his cracking methods are a little bit suspicious, but I think he's doing good as long as he needs to learn how to cook, right? So basically, we're just stirring it. He would not let me stir because, I don't know, he thinks he's all of a sudden a good cook when all he knows is how to make toast. So then we added vanilla extract to the bowl and mixed that too. And now we are adding our flour. Okay. So he was determined to teach me how to do it the quick way. So that's why he's taking it right here, even though it's basically what I just did. But okay, it's okay. Whatever. And so basically we added about half a cup right now of flour just to see the consistency, to see if it's thick enough. It wasn't. So yeah, we decided to add some more flour. And this part was kind of tricky because y'all will see. So we kind of added more flour and more flour until it was basically thick, basically. I think we needed to add almost like half of the whole bowl to it, but I think we're getting better at the consistency of this. It's practice. This is not gonna be our first time cooking, y'all. You guys are gonna see way more of us trying to learn how to bake. Well, I mean, I know how to bake, but he doesn't, so. I mean, I'm a little bit rusty because I haven't baked in like a year or two, so just go easy on me, guys. So here we are, still trying to find the right consistency of the batter, and Winnie wouldn't let me do anything. He kept saying, "Oh, right here," when he was talking, he literally said, "Why didn't you let me stir?" Okay, so now we add my favorite part, chocolate chips, and this boy couldn't stop eating the damn chocolate chips like every few seconds. So basically, he decided he wanted to pour it in. Look how good that looks, guys. Ooh, I want to eat it right now. So basically, he mixed it up, and I don't know. I think that was enough. I was going to add more. See what I mean? He's eating it, and then he pretends to be putting it into the batter. That was me literally telling him not to eat it, but of course he doesn't listen to me. So basically, he mixes it up even more, and I told you guys there was a mistake in the flour. It's okay, guys. I forgot to put the baking powder, and it's okay. We added it at the end, which that works, right? Like, who go come after me, Gordon Ramsay? Like, I told you, there's no professionals here. This is for fun. I'm only the one eating it, okay? So, well, me and my family. So, we decided to clean up while we were at that rest. Well, mostly me. I was mostly the one cleaning up. I don't know. He was walking around. And yeah, I took a bite of the chocolate chip because anyway, here we are putting the cookie batter, the cookie dough, into the pan. I don't understand, but I don't know why he was using his hands. Y'all see, I had to fix it up for him. Here he was yelling at me saying, you wouldn't let me do it, when he was literally touching it with his hands. I don't think that's very sanitary, and I don't think he washed his hands before we did this, but it's okay. No one's perfect. We're all learning here. So basically, we're going to do it 6, but our mom said we shouldn't waste anything, so we decided to do it to like 12. So we added some more chocolate chips and to the top, and then we baked it for about 20-30 minutes. The cookies are done, and Melissa wasn't here because he had sports practice, so I'm here reviewing. The cookies were very good, and thank you for watching. They were delicious.